No, I'm not. Think umuwahiriza. Even the word knows abayatanka. Yes, never we sparks abayatanka garka wakachenyuma. So ichi songuru chamgarza back on.
But nyonda deba ali mu market like I trending because I think this is the first Megatone song to trending on TikTok.
Not even on TikTok worldwide. And you're the most trending song echi
cha boosting TikTok cha boosting accounts cha. And on the other hand, Ray, it is the song that gave him attention. Attention, cham relevant, too much relevant at the moment. Because chikijadino musaga ya Azawi. So
the guys wanted revenge, the guys wanted to prove that.
And by the way, the kind of gamba collaboration. Echosho chileka power of collaboration. That is it.
That song itself is a statement. I mean no question. Because you can, because tokangamba because ni manya, if we have a song no buta kujecha song chiro somebody sparks in one savage on it. Yes, hey nyoni chaka kubagambira. I had to come here alone. Hasinyise kubagambira ki. That's why mbinire omushijo wa Western Uganda ya Kigezi tingo munya bakarumweta obakariyeta obakarumutiza tingo macho no kuchiribata. Ladies and gentlemen, I have Facts Zamani with me right here. Facts Zamani twakwachira Ankole Media TV.
Nashimirwa kubera hano ize shaha Ankole Media TV. Ntari ya Kigezi kukuwa shigamba.
Ankole ne covering almost hona just Ankole Media nkizina but between the borders when it comes to
this is Uganda. This is Uganda, so it is a free country. Buri kimwe cyona kirabaho kukuwa shigamba.
Kabare barire batoko.
Kabare barije TV nefunga. Chimura tusinga nakashana.
Tukine tukayehakana.
Cyo mura tusinga munkasigara bakabare n'ubutosha.
So banzo yakora abakutureba abo nabakabare banzo yakora bo wasanga Ankole Media.
Abarebi bankole media mwena amazina ni Facts Zamani nashemererwa kubera hano nabakura ubu ni jano reka tugire ki reka no kugira ki tutandike kuhanjana.
By the way twatanga kuhajana talking about kuhajana the last time twahajana tukaturiya Las Vegas, that was back when I was bya copyright nachi that was the last time I had you on set.
Tukatuyoka bari kutubuza uzo kwemba
kahendero bijiremu copyright content ya copyright ninga kahendero company ino kwa kujaramu by the ngo busente njera chikahine
obusente bashowiza I think amanya daze kubuza president wanje no tindachira kugamba ntakamanyire so daze kubuza president wanje nishayino mukiga ndebe yaba hero busente ninga hariye zanje nazo bazimpenye bicire
sai no mukiga na CJ champion urushe chetingo
ndaze kubabuza because tine na ngungambe ntakababurize ikibarangambire nico ndagende naco ziriho ubweniko
so CJ champion ni sai no mukiga murundo go mushite tubaye tusoborokane
so niye ndabaronda akashabo niba kama banje niba president abo so niye ndabaronda
so ati tukatiza industry ya Kigezi because wiro bwinje tuzahano ya tugamba simanyi imbara yes Kigezi industry mwagisi yaho ko kintu muturukubi
when you say that ndabona nashemererwa because without competition mu geji industry tini twobe turaza ndadeka ngu after Ankole mu geji southwest ni Western Uganda uyire mu Ankole ndagira Kigezi nije kwa kabiri
Kigezi then Toro then
nzindi kuzabandi so ndashemererwa kureba ngu actually turyaho and we are growing every day because nyondi kureba industry
enyuma wakaro gap mpango hagati ya Ankole na Kigezi akaro
gap kabiri mpango munonga bachibani bagamba beshongo sebashigamba Ankole bagambo Kigezi bamugamba tomorrow but one nkati ya really tuliyo and I'm very happy kushanga ngo turi ku dominating market kandi turi kora wakamuragireba
so who are those people to credit for that kushanga ngo gap yaberi hagati ya Ankole na Kigezi right now we're never closed
ndenda honestly
you know
interview kaje mfuterere namara kale Unyani wanje aramanje sente zeko nkana ntamu sasa kujanira kumunyaga
kazenda ko ino kareta guy so who are those people to credit for closing the gap?
I want to first thank
yourself
myself for working hard kureba ngu industry najipushinjire na najisaheri then mbone kusema bandi ndenda kusema bishongoze bagenzi banje nyumva ko sinabanza nasima contribution yanje indiro oba ninki oba nimpango tero contribution so nshwensi me beshongozi bagenzi banje bona nkora bamanya beshongozi bagenzi banje nibe bali munonga for the industry bagipushinje bagereze okora namani nabageze okora namani because I'm very happy when I see songs coming out lecheshongo charuga ichogu so I'm very happy then nshwensi me media yo witu kale tukatwine radio zinche ushanga twina ka radio ibiremwe nabwe zimwe zine program zo kugira ngo program iratira nka music nemwe nabwe yatira music etishangiri kufitira nkaba heru konkati ya turashimika kushanga nguza radio ni nyinji kandi ziratire kidongo mbe shwensi me ba DJs ba kabali wherever they go baramika shwango ba sutira ba DJ Benjamin nabo mpawo ora yakwata yabona kachaka zanka NTV natekwa kufitira abana bo wabo nibara leadinje sa.
That's something to credit for everyone. Abantu bona abo tuyino munankani like people who come from the west. Every time nenda bali gono barwana munonga kugira ngo agerengere yate yakutera hembe.
Ali obu first time ba DJ bakunu kuza TV. It was before lockdown. Oh, it was lockdown ali gwetayiremo. Before it was like before
2019
ba DJ bakunu kuza nka TV abambarara babasaga TV atatire cheshonguru nech
so
nech cha Western Uganda. Actually tindi na kumentioninga ba DJ abo mpa bajiro baremanya kandi nababire bali kuwachinga barabimanya barabyijuka they couldn't play any song. So if I see our artists, our DJs and abo wita ba alibo bali stage trend because nyondi jukabana bo kubanza kuza TV bakatira music yitu it was DJ Bristol and MC Kunana mu lockdown.
Was it a WhatsApp show?
Boys from Kigezi.
Na ndo wa Kigezi. Na nyemunsime na ndo wa Kigezi.
Baka setting a trend and I'm very happy for that. Abakabira bagarukireyo bakabali ba DJ Benjamin and bazo batanga futia music
so inga trend ya
kandi gambira munywani wanje ndi kujangura amanya vlogging katandikira kabari.
Sure. By the way, I had this kunana share nankani was it Akaria which university was that? Bishop Baramia.
I think vlogging kwata media tukakora TV za media like this. It started from Kabale in Western Uganda.
It's good right now kurangwa tariyoza abachiga TV
kariyo ekatandike Kigezi TV Kigezi Entertainment TV zija zakura zo abachiga TV but I'm very happy kuri yango chikija kunu ya TV nyinji and it is helping us to push content kali abantu barachimanya ngo right now Sparks chori kukora you are contributing a lot to the industry because you keep people updated ekintu cyabali kuza kufitira TV za satellite umuntu baraza kubireba iwabe bahire kale
asina bamara kubereba tabireba naya komaho nyoni zakabikayo aho rizire hona aho ratero akadata kawe no kabona.
Yes, so I want to thank the entire industry akigeza abwo muri mugo bakozire ebindi gamba tibishuba rubanda rotsoro kanungu
kamine region mpango gaye
ni eri big nyo
kandi kikusinge by the way cyabensinge kunkora kubi because I'm also from Rukunjiri buyanza but cyabensinge kunkora kubi no kushanga back then Kigezi we had tukatwine ba Alex Manji unarga Kigezi. This very guy nobody even see Kigezi. And I can see me not seeing following her Facebook. Like one of the most no like but konga usanga ngu on positions zomunanga ako bara region in positions usanga ngu Kigezi te
rugana bya entertainment even no mu politics nachi Kigezi ne prominent people bona baruga Kigezi ba Dr. Chizabesje mama babazi ba the late governor they come from Dr. Wakana they come from Kigezi.
Bakasa atiche bekitire hejo nanga nicabekire mise kuruga kare kikacere kushanga Kigezi umbinte kwatina
nateka nguni exposure and monopoly kushanga there are very kushanga ngu attention nezari particular people haliyo nabanda bali kubikora so I think monopoly maybe nanda just say monopoly ndagera ngu maybe those people who were on top were working very very extremely very hard kushanga ngu ba overtaking kandi nabali kuyija tindamanya konkano shangu because even at one time we had the best artist from Western Uganda.
That was
Tibro, my friend.
Right now those are the people now who kushimikana crediting kushanga ngo now it is very easy because abana barakora teho hata mwana nabasa kutera these guys basanazi sanazi na tereche shongoro before you know it tomorrow it's playing on TV West, it's playing on NBS, it's everywhere. Konkenye maho okoshango ine ino kweberera so ninjara ngo effort seze bakwa batiremo
mazimanyori kangambire ebyo like when I came into the industry kashanga industry ejya hantu hamwe kashanga industry twena twantwetira rap bakani bacheta music akani bacheta chigafuro.
Hey, by the one you see
even chigafuro twena turi kufutira rap. Everyone started rapping. The only person that could sing akora yashongora was Nas, but nawosho atira rap. So chikachitakawa odatira rap. So music yetu atoshonga kejo kulishiza most of the times okota kaji zina kejo kulishiza ngeno nkelinka poem kustamaro ka kulishiza bigambo byo mukiga yagamba byo mu ngoma. So you could not enjoy it very well until nyoku na chirebire na jambara nali abantu ko barakora music yaba used to visit studios na jambara naza Erogon na kulichesha mucyancho kubanza bakazi bacheta ndozaho. I went back to kabale na shanga haka wibiro bibiri hit ba DJ batakati ya music yanjo mu kirabo batakati ya music mu kirabo because ngwe keti ne jo BPM keti ne jo ngoma ekishongoro bakachitira bakachensha be pleasing mu kireke. So I think growing kukura oka exploring ukalebe bintu nacho chikachireta chisa mu music yitu konka right now chinenda kugambira Kigezi mojetondere.
By the way, Kigezi is one region to watch out for. Which wagamba na mazima because considering you guys because in other video for example your latest song with Nakabachiga by the way banzotereze mfuri banzotereze
ubutosha ni kwatura mpora Ogu nizombera owe bisabiri ngwanke bientu arashoboka mpora nkenchwera barasa kuja mumanga kerinkeno tukachitamura hivyo.
By the way, then arongera imwe akoze ni video no kugira nti Kigezi something because it's so hard engera imwe akoze video omuntu okuchenga concept ya nankani ya video yareba that video na appreciating watu wazima.
What we are doing, even the music, even the sound, even the video, we are trying to actually nyonenda kubagambira mazima. We are not trying to level up with Ankole, level up with what turi kukula ibintu byamani mononga turi kushooting hale.
Maintaining the sound yana yabachiga
mentality itwine and the focus is beyond Western Uganda. Is beyond. So
that video because nareba concept who was the director even?
That is Trizi
go with?
Yeah.
Okay, muzika kashabandu bakana kwakuru kasanga bari mu masyuti bice bweno kara like nabakora dizi no makozo nora Western Uganda tino akantu ko kopa yarebe cyo nanka yakora na jamu cyo akora kuja kunanka na shootingira motoka naona kuza motoka narya mizi. So how did you come up with this concept no wajeresere gukora kukoresa those cultural things ibintu bite bitukumanya kwanzi beats like
I want to assure you that Trizi was working with artists, not singers, not whatever, artists, entertainers. Ogori kuleba Anna Kasime is one of the most creative women I have ever seen in my life.
Sure.
Naruka embidi zuru kwa naze kolera.
Abantu abakumforenga munonga they
is too creative and she's too crafty. And so to customer and myself, I'm a great thinker. I nkega art in the
graphic design.
Nkega industrial art. I have a bachelor's industrial fine art. So I know the great thing about art, in the creative about art. So tukazamu group twabugana nyo Trizi and Ann twaling out how this video is going to be. Tukachikora very simple but very very good, very very good. So ekitwakozire tukastama twalete bitekateko. Nyona Anna twakwate bitekateko jitu twabya Trizi yatuhebyeye twayihame byitu twona twachenchura twahindira twine kintu kimwe. And that was it. Video was shot in one day. And tukatangira kushootinga after lunch.
I know kareba the simplicity in the video, but simplicity at the same time here is the best result. Konka mya inakwata video shooting ro musini za
manana
shoot. All of them tiner ku making.
Yeah, so that is it. The video was as simple as that.
Kane chinde kane gamba nacho mukweshongora chonyene like nakabachiga.
Ngona kabachiga kabugana hachirindi. We wanted to show that story and Anna has that experience yokushanga ngwatambwire. That woman Ogomokazi Manya is the queen of comedy in Africa. Is an African queen.
Undoubtedly.
Content continent yona. So the woman has moved around and in experience at time really na manye chokora.
She can act, she can sing. By the way,
even directing neche shongoro. Because I remember when we were creating the song, creating a song and creating a chorus and creating a hook, creating na zomo studio. Ndi creating ebitu aturi create aha gita itu aturi tambule hejo yonyine eka mu studio na horira ejo gita nyonta abichenga na gambira producer na mugira ngo tira chazukuweza chitiri chiri kwiruka bitu bya bulijo ati ibintu byo biraburi kwa ana yaja let us not focus on that, let us focus on an international sound nyocho ndikurira nechabulijo
storebero ko konga
let us keep the sound we to create injira echesho ngo ni guitar kusha, it is a guitar byona kabisa angura naguma ndi kugira ngo makaze ndaze kumurisha echesho ngo cye kumakaze Ogu yatariga kunteganisa nakuchimurekera niyo nakushoranye tahiri yatariga kugamba ngo za international sound turi hano ndi kugaruka kabare
international kabare namuna gani
oye twati. But whatever she was telling me now, I see it is very, very. Actually, it's in the mind. I should not go for the mwabiri yukanga.
By the way, ndebero was an interview habirali. No abari interview no adzirengwa akareba the song chi was it him picking shakoze na sa music and then ya picking njira we afuna interest yo jirangu afuna like
akajirangu akareba collaboration. How kuba collaborating eja. What if we collaborate? We start collaborating muri Kigezi uramanya turabasa kurugayo musically to surpassing like what if we start doing this tukachinomorayizinga kashaka ashaba yakorana hibikingi Zamani yakorana ana sinazi yakorana shayi no mukiga bici people are going to give us years of which is true. Me I believe in collaboration ngazo nyishowize list yebye shongoro byanje binarakoze byona nkebira single bwinje ni collaborations, so me I believe in collaborations.
So is that one thing echo kuteka teke chikora king hano mu West Ankole Ankole music because umuntu nabasa kwebuza people is big at the same time truth is big rage is big but toka hura those people have a song
no mwijuze banyenga mukuno mu Ankole arimo banyenga binji na nyaruna banashabe collabo banjira ngo brand zabo zo mwaka ngo tindimu. So
who was that?
I think abagamba
wasana muko batera
na kira yibuza bebe kuru ari kunsha bakorabo bashaka bari kugera go
nyoni ndeka
brand yabo yo mwaka ibine
maybe it's the way
facilitating
maybe it's the way they see things because kwakura bamusaba korabo ningo mwateka teka kugira ngo yonoro nko wamweguye tugere ninga no mwereka
nani ntajya level yari kureba gwa kiburamo
yara wamusaba
akora igwara yaje kwemara kururi kibura mutaka ibira level ye ariko uri kuza kumugaruza inyuma. So and if you want ikangambire wakora collabo n'umuntu uringanisa na wamani ningabwe urasinga hokache umuntu urasinga hokache wakora collabo n'umuntu urasinga hokache irabayamba mwena how ogo muntu urasinga hokache barazi kuba barakwa credit yo kugira ngo we bari kumukwata.
For example tutakajire hare EG Forever EG featuring Megatone,
the credit goes to all like Megatone is very happy that he is in the market.
Habire yasere nko wagaruke nyuma
tinga ina kukigambe shitina mani
no I'm not think umuwahiriza even the world knows abayatanka yes nebwa wa sparks abayatanka garuka wakache nyuma so ichi songuru chamgaruza back on
but nyonda reba ari mu market like I trending because I think this is the first Megatone song to trending on TikTok,
not even on TikTok worldwide and the most trending song echi
chika cha boosting TikTok cha boosting accounts and on the other hand Ray, it is the song that gave him attention. Cham relevant, too much relevant at the moment. Because Chikijadino Musaga ya Azawi. So
the guys wanted revenge, the guys wanted to prove that.
And by the way, the kind of gambari collaboration. It's just a power of collaboration. That is it.
That song itself is a statement. I mean no question. Because you can because tokangambira because ni manya if we have a song nobuta kujya chisongo chiro
kirimo nko mwishongozo musankarina rose kirimo uramanya ngo murachiteka umbo abo beshongozi basa ensiyoni raze kwira abamanyizo de chika
iza kuchoro
like the whole region neza ko yamanya beshongozi basa achira ko batwalire myaka n'imyaka kubamanya ngo immediately bacha umwana umusasa yeshongwe mu cyeshongoro no the moment yashoza keshonke wenkanye sakare bajana wabira ari muri cyeshongoro nabari bana
for example ate keshongoro nanka first all star song anyokare mu generation yindi mu ina abanze kura ekere ya Mr DJ radio navio like like then locomotive you look at songs like isha boy ni nanka ni cha
in the dance
no child is born to
yeah
like all star songs nashaka
uramanyira amabeshongozi binji urarebera mamani gabeshongozi so I think collaborations zirakora of which mu Western Uganda kirimo reka ngambira mazima mu Western Uganda ico kintu cya collaborations cyayangere because reba top artists ba Western Uganda and you see the behavior with collaborating omuntu wundi abasa kugira ngo ara collaboratinga wapitali
by the way Bine Wings, this is what is happening in Western Uganda. Bine Wings kugira ngo Ambro inabasa featuring na banankana n'abakora instrument obwiro bwinji then people will think amuraga akora it's so rare kushanga people akora boyonanka ya the same with Omega, the same with like they rarely do this.
People want that. Yeah, people want that. People want to see a collaboration. Nkaya Omega
featuring T-Paul, Omega featuring Brady.
T-Paul with Truth. Like people want to see that.
This is what you guys need to think about.
Take
a beef service.
Wow. I would love to see that. I would love to see that. Of which chirakuza chingeno urama kushanga ngo ati waja ngo akupushinga ogumwesho ngo ziwenga. Nola shows of pushing chiraguma kusinga bona kukwata chesho ngo chimuka chipushingeri. Chiroroba. Push one song. Chona chabo babiri. Bono ba pushing mukonogo NBS bachitere. Kubuze katwi kwimuka mukashesha. Bakagira ngo nakabachiga bakanominating MTV Awards. It is better than saying nakabachiga by Anakasime nominated on NBS on MTV BS Awards. Chirabona baja nakabachiga Afrima baja nakabachiga by Anakasime and fact Zamani nominated Babiri. It creates news baja abachiga. What
the more the stars then the more the industry gains.
Nabwina na proverbs kuziriho kwagira ngo agitire ngo gati gufa.
By the way. So honestly, let's be honest, Kigezi baturyaho win. Kigezi baturyaho win when it comes to that because here top
because for me right now I have a collaboration with each and every Kigezi artist.
So
bona buri mwana wa Kigezi wono uramanya. When oyire mabeshongozi babiri abuja nibyo batanje kweshongora ashaba music bamini bwo yatanje kuyija mu scene turatanje nabo ashaba music and kaira no I wish to work with them kunka bandi bona wakula sinazi nkakora nyine bishongora bireka nkabitano kureba Anakasime gugusha ino mu kiga ncine like bona amana maniga ncine ngatichara ujira mu studio ngana bwo tukachikorora efforts zero tukachikora so I have songs by DJs nyine bishongora nabo nyonyi nka personally so chimanyisa ngo wala wajera ngo fact Zamani ngo arugireyo batiya utaja ndugireyo akugira ngo nyindugireyo nkanye ngo shomwe agugona namani gabana gubampira because I've worked with them chimanyisa I have at one time pushed my work with them.
That is true. So tusubire yonka all star song by the way hati ni mwati Kigezi hati ni Kigezi mwakola an all star song
all star tujine njune cyo cheta ngo Kigezi tune kindi cyo cheta ni rukunde gumyo kitima bishongozo ba Kigezi reka ngambi oramanya bwe radio and
kante kajangenya mukabikora hata kabiro the tension ya TikTok kugira ngo haro tension ya TikTok hata mwachikora I want aswa you kugira ngo Anakasime featuring fact Zamani featuring Saino Muchiga featuring Senaz
and go shine had that plan does kumuza ndi yahika ekino oramanya cyatume radio and wizo ba dominating amonunga mu myaka miche baka dominating industry ndiyo bishongozo bacha singa collaborations mu Uganda.
That's the truth. Even you look at guys like Sean Paul, twaza an international scene. Sean Paul taine single. When bamweta na interview, na gambera mkugira nkore nyenka. Nitichikunga sara kusinga no kora because kunkora na this person I introducing ngo market yeye mu introducing ngo yanje before we know it we are all growing.
Aza nyoje niyo trick inkoze saga yibambuzaga ngora chikorota.
Kata kawa mawaka.
Ai ndakolingana nabandi. Ndakolingana ni. Tinka zara wagomwe shongozo. Umshongozo na atakamanya no kweshongora muhandishire. Shwe mutwa no mu studio. Because you don't know where he will be tomorrow. Tukomanya nyeskaraze ureze because na inkatandika kweshongora ndarabimanya.
Kutira muke bikono.
Ebikono byo mbirebire konka I'm not supposed to be serving what I was served. Tinga kule bibankoze bikono nkabireba nakugambira nakujanga bakankasha audio bamikora boza abashabangira ngo gumwaka plan zetu twino gumwaka tolabagamo right no gumwaka nyikora bozi mushanju zindakashowize to be honest ezindakashowize nyikora bozi mushanju ziri zikozire ugumwaka eceshongoro tingashowize eceshongoro canje nece nikora bozi katandikana na eceshongoro cyawe yigwira mwaka baronati singuna habwa ka gospel ecyakabiri kikakiri owa wetachiri wawe na nkugu na DJ agomba DJ Sense echakashatu nofa chines na saxoro echaka nanchini nakabachigana anakatinga showize cheshongoro singo ibindi gamba namazima biri practical
iyo pepa abakigenje bagono batukanga kanga umwami utari serious
chaka biri kuza kushoza cheshongoro na G-boy hari cheshongo chinyine na saxoro chindi hari cheshongo chinyine no gumwana ugumwana baramwita kuri TKBY. I have songs with many people. I mean, aruna bundi kuza kora nabone ndakora na exit like nabon chine kora na
kugira ko watugambira kugira ngo the more you work with a lot of people because
that amazima gani ngwati naza kuja kanga mbe exit. If I'm going to work with exit ina bagizi batara amanya abunde yenda yo
you get introduced in his market and he nawe kumwanzo
kandi chara fegwa neshi kana itine chenda fegwa so people don't understand that thing olaza kushoza kesho ngo ofenako urenda kora nkangunyenga ngono nyenga henge wenka ofenako itwe kunuya turi kurya life
abakigeze batukanga abantu mwinja abeshongo atabeshongo za Western Uganda yoko batanga kutetema ko bahura kiryo mu pipeline koze bamanyangu United you stand bawo rangere bawo rumuntu enda kwetera ko mu angwejo
so bitaga food for thought twachijalibo bayinaga namagezi gabusha tinije ine sente twabashaba namagezi ga ai
ati utipuliteka data yawe okonsume so mutogwa
Kigezi twaje namagezi gerisho naga ai nagabusha nagaba if you don't want to work together ndindirire akagira ki kacumito mucira
so fact Zamani aro umuntu yanambuza umuntu akanabuza like you are one of the people abakugira ngo or content creator TikTok at the same time unayosongora like how does content creation and TikTok like TikTok anaije yambeta njere yo gukora music ninga success ya music yawe
na yo kupushinga music ya YouTube. So TikTok, I take it like a utility application for YouTube. Abatara kachenga akajunge kinji baraza kunsasira.
Bashame utility program zo my ICT. I mean
ndaza kubashorera konka chiringu really I thank God for TikTok. I thank God for TikTok. Now TikTok nyunka nkajeshanga. Because I started making my content of video buli funny me I never knew that I'm even funny kanda gachima nyuna ngora ibintu ndi abantu bari kusinika mino yet I was just spending my time I was just wasting time mu lockdown and I didn't start from TikTok o video nkabutandishira kanda kora ukakora live za Facebook ati kukora abantu bala za live a TikTok konkati nyowe na mpaga nyine attention na Facebook so chimara kora live abantu bija bagiyaho baji downloading baji sharashara baji no TikTok baji sharashara bataka kuta status
butaka kutamburiro kwe
video wanje bakatambulira status ni uko kubazo kareba status no TikTok bakatambulira status
nkabanza kareba app bakabaza ngo like
then someone asked me ngo akunje takayigura TikTok kuna abantu kuno bara posting ibintu nkebyo nganta cindamanya
TikTok is for content creators
nganta cindamanya so na nyina goti kutoka yanjabiriza yanchankana chakana toka video so ni janda kwa sampora but nija kuchireba ngo TikTok era yamba kutambuza brand everything after Uganda waraje yamara kunterera
Uganda warajaka kwa gitero rusheke
yamara kunterera bakanti Uganda waraje kantere simu yanjira ngo allo ninyogo kuruga mu Uganda waraje twatwenda ngo tukole niwe oguno yampire namba yawe. Actually, big up to, was it Kacheche or Alberto? Kacheche, it was Kacheche. Big up to him, brother. So, ngutuenda tukolini iwe. Naja, Yawe, ngutuenda tukolini iwe, ngunomanye Uganda warajina, nionda nywa.
That's a factor wa msiao.
Kabuja, gukuri gona nywa cha, na hati kuri nabachali baje kuturi kunywa magwa. Tukaturi kunywa yuji. Ati ntunamanye nko mushari kunyangu je nkugurire waraje ata nafutia kuruga mu Uganda waraje kujange no toranyoga magwa beje batukutuzibira ati twaturi mu ruko down ujuke turasatura nyurije ngo no muzinga gurya already ati I don't know but we wanted to work with you for content creation naja ibichi content creation mwenda kunyiba nabasharaho akubasharaho
no chasing amaja
ngara message ya Kacheche I have given your number to this and this you call you. Nijuka gaya ari kushari kutera. Mukwata. Ati twatuje ngo tukorere. Bici how are your charges? Naja kaje mazinga amena roya waje mwenda kujibimwe kuna kurengo biri mu ni content naje kandi mazinga amena roya ndebe sete turabasha naba manager abatira naje bakabira babatira miliyoni 2 twataje nabotera ja amatira miliyoni 2 tindakora kata bashaba kandi kumba kitano buri kwezi shaka kumba kitano buri kwezi yo nashaka
ukatera oyerejero TV
kana arazi kwasirosha ati yes ati ibiri ati twazi kuha ati je kamporo signing contract ha mukashe
atembera umurubaje
jagwa shizi kazi atambore che bitoche Rasta is big up my brother
yakupachira nyuma yenko
che bitoche na chitembire kampara na chire na sayininjire kasayininga kuna amara kusayininga bankwasa box irime mizinga
kantu aba brand ambassador
bankwasa box kabagira ngo aba bamanyana kuyanje kaza kwikamuka nasinzira because bamenyoni banje bakaba
brand ambassador
bamenyoni banje bakaba jakabara so kabaja kanyihe kambara byaho unabona magwa nanjye bajashige tucagura katunywaga kaza kwikamuka magwa gukosa content nyine empties ndazitamamize but it was a very good story. TikTok kanyamba like TikTok kanyamba many people never knew me as an artist anjuji abayi baramanya but still I was top before because before lockdown I was the best artist in Kigezi for 3 consecutive years 2017 18 19 I was the best artist ali nyine awards
TikTok yakongera borders za music yawe
cyakuzireka posting cyesho cyabenda twashwa twanywa cyabiri cyahagwire kare
so twasibatanya ka nyoka ntizere ko nanka mu lockdown ubu nabareba nabera Ansema Trading Center
jireba icyo it was uploaded 2019
kiza kwa 2020 urukwa like
erikuwa ekamano mwaka edi dormant kunkabwa TikTok arobishe bya bikwata lisemejwe biri kuzina ngo twasho eceshongo carugayo so TikTok kanyamba byinji kanyire byeshongoro byanje bya like maybe TikTok uwitu Kigezi niye babira bagisindikire particularly niye babira bagisindikire
iwe na Himbi King by the
Himbi King kana akajisho bwanyima
but we akiza
Himbi King akajo wa Facebook na YouTube Himbi King ndijo ari kumbuza kwa TikTok aje bitu ba TikTok urabikorota bro mbuze ukiora chikorota kushanga TikTok ayo iratambura tinyo cyayanjire so it is like ati Himbi King TikTok akajirebera linye so it is like linye bayo basindikire TikTok direct
most of us bakamanya Himbi King after you and these other guys
TikTok yanje rushaka gisindika direct TikTok bagisindikira fact ngugu
Kigezi twabahereza emblem ya TikTok yanyu icon
Western Uganda
bitu kwa bayiza we nango tugambe cy'amazima TikTok
bagisindikira ngugwe because all those videos I have never seen something that trends like those videos most I have never apart from Mujisho ya Rage I have never seen something that trended like those videos zika trending so much uzishangaga status and to be honest I had no script nyona mbaganda gambe ibintu byache bitagamba so I thank TikTok kushanga nati right now nitambuze cyeshongoro cyanje na Ana kiri mu 2K challenges
that is too huge abeshongozi na Kampala nako cyeshongo sanga chikwa umeshongozi wa man Kampala chikwamira mu 300 challenge
kiri mu 2K less than 1 month so I thank TikTok na ba TikTokers banje ba followers banje ndabasima munonga ijo family ndajim matira munonga they are too real to the extent ngo wabadumire cyo rena ngo bakukorera wabashaboka jya mu nkorere kibarika barachikorera so I appreciate.
So is that something you would recommend to another artist kugira ngo umuntu weno riyoko na artist story yoko wena like yananda ninga buri homayi no mugisha
artists ibujyo mwana no mucagwe ko nkamugezo nama nikora ngo murembeti gwabasiga mugezo nama nikora ngakantu kasasa kija wakagezaho
that is true
otaza kugira ngo yitwe ngibyo nebya by the right now harunka abantu batagira Snapchat tibara mangu Snapchat ngo bo baramangu niyo kwatera ho filters ngo kukateka
how does it help? I'm one of those by the honesty.
Snapchat ni application ila marketing munonga
Are you sure?
Very sure we rundo muntu runde gukora rugano runde musiku nana akwereke okubara gikozesa na ino chinganda kachimanya konka the moment wacheta mwaje ngo I can't use this wara watanika kujirezo ezo ntondo nizo bias kugira ngo nyoti ndakozezeje urabo wabo muzeyi uratwakusiga
Wacha tunyo ndi wa Facebook nyono yo ni ukomaho.
Ati wacha nguri kwe ko mari Facebook nayo nkiri kusereba.
Iryo ruga hompora mpora kuja kuyabaje.
Turatwa kuyengaro.
Kuyabaje to VPN Twitter yatanga
kugira. Turaba twakuyehengali oti twinebwire bagotora twakusiga because
akarisha kona akatrying.
Nyomwe like anyone who wants to trend, wants to push because kama gambire technology etwanguhizo mu marketing. Etwanguhizo mu nonga. You are not going to go around uri kubamba ibipande ngo bakumanye. Ibipande bibamba Facebook, bibamba Instagram, bibamba X. Learn how to engage. Because I am not here to teach, but nyondi kugamba okunjerizo from experience okubuilding a team because ngambire abantu tokotura nabongo gumoni nabo nibo barakuyamba. Urashanga yina abantu barakuyamba bali Dubai, abantu barakuyamba bali Nkaye, but stay engaged with them. And that is through internet.
So application akasi akora ureka trending I mean binakazara. I'm one of these people and nyum kumaza idea I never believed in TikTok. TikTok nyundi wa Facebook because nkanko amiro
ngato likureba ngo TikTok echeri gukora Facebook tiyokora na hafu yacu.
Asi the moment akucyanto kusia 5k followers on Facebook like TikTok no basya in 3 days.
Konka kuri ya Facebook kuza kuba manya every video you post you find that followers bakuhika algorithm yabo LG yo kukunganya abantu kuva content creators but you work mu joko emboli kwejeresa ngunyowe ona wala nadani mu VP yaza nka TikTok nani nangwaze yo niwo
nani chitarakasi
nani shwenkuru muzei bote technology una mangwerasa kwa yasijire kakali okaliba nawaje TikTok ali kugwanesa niwo hiwe mpo muto ngunyo angu TikTok
ane uzazana comedy ngunyo tindi comedian
wala dani bote dia
TikTok badebe ngubande yesijire bisana face ngumanya ndukusesya ni because hata aronka abantu bona respect ijani mbendi yawo mpondi asimu ya general waje Kachayina wants to be your friend on Snapchat raja yo Kachayina yo like yo I was very happy. I was very happy because to see that Kachayina even he follows me on Facebook, he follows me on TikTok, but no one tarkumanya.
See that Kachayina he follows up ali kurunda adeke ajya Snapchat. Watching ajya Snapchat no muchizi mononga. What about you a Gen Z omwana azigwe mu 2000 ubizarigwe ukashanguri kujengo torenda kuza yungu torenda kuza because Kachayina knows what he does. Kunde bine nayangu Snapchat because nabantu bachabara za Snapchat abaji change konke ine viewship ya man de kama za TikTok.
By the way, so this MC guy of mine are celebrating at 10k nanka no atina ibuza 10k like ari abantu bokusanga 10k na bafollowing
Snapchat kamera ko yugura guhirira ga kamera
niza munane by the way tichaka kuteka filters wakanoza kupozinga nabichana nda filter atabanza na maka filter ndo bukatuni
so hirira ga kamera ahandi to manyege bifagayo.
I'm going to try. By the way, from you, I'm going from here. I'm following us Snapchat. I'm coming.
Wagure simusa no kukarota mo email Snapchat.
Tutamuka nanka na app yo kubona zebisana.
Very fun. It is a very serious application. So echiri ho chiringu. Let us build ourselves through internet. Just that
is fact Zamani abasano bacenge ndongo twinana ntaho kwefura nk'abagezwe ngata kucenga script kutambuze ndongo na herero mu studio takumebe kukora tawo takumangu ya na mangu yarwo mu studio yakora hit
aronga shongozo wanzara were yangira ngo fact ntina cyana manyangu no kwe branding akusha nagira it's okay niwe branding
nano mako kwe branding no haranta kwe branding ati na miss
okwe branding talent kwe branding ni skill branding because to be honest nagoto ko branding wake taliho you need content
no jiteka mutegwachi
you need content and brand it so wajira ngundi kwe branding chimasa ndi ku branding content if you don't want to brand yourself that means iwe mbao to ine waka yo ku branding nyobunji ni mureke nje because tinaze ko shonje shongoro ngachibika tichikabaska
no you need abantu bateka tangu ni stunt but you need to be relevant as everyone when ko bari mu limelight as long as you are relevant interview yawe tubaragirebe when like what are relevant waka yawe semere kubane
ngambire bagira ngo utariho tagwegwa muti now utariho tagwegwa muti kandi nibagira ngo wasiba narya takabura kunya at the end of the day, you will see the results. You see the results. If you work hard, the results will come. Can't because if you don't put yourself in a sample space, y'abantu ngeno bagira ngo babalinda abantu baija mu Western Uganda bali konda ba bloggers batano. If you don't put yourself in that sample space y'abo bantu batano, tibarakurebe.
You need to fight kugira ngo or relevant kugira ngo ejo position aho irize ejo nanka urengu you are there.
Much to be visible. Try so much kulibika. So that is it.
So I'm dedicating it to Western Uganda artists singa shumwe mutone ko showbiz nabaza otayegamu then to say yo nebero fraya kutamburaho fact Zamani live in Kampala so digumanya abana Western Uganda Kampala batu mugahindurira makaganyo
Kampala ejini Uganda na nakugambire it is a free space naruga Kampala nenda kuzakara moja tenda shona nabo
Borese
ndi wa buraka
ndafuta concert karamoja
atati mwana ati ndifuta Kampala muke kanga mulize wayi Kampala kandi uge Kampala njite karamoja nabwo tugende tushoto karamoja ali abakiga
cyangwa bazitembe abakiga batenge burga
guru twari yo fact Zamani live ni guru biko kubuze
fact Zamani cyo kwenda kutukora cyona whatever fact cyo kwenda tukora murebe.
This is Uganda, it's a free country. You don't need a passport kuruga kabari kushambara. You need a passport kuruga kamba. Tiaro boda yona. I hate that question. Why Kampala? Nemotoka kusha. Kampala irimo abakiga, irimo abanyankole, irimo abaganda bafani banje. Kampala irimo decentralized, irimo nankeji abantu. Niho urashanga ati wagira ngo wakwata show wagitwara kabari. Urazi kufuna abakiga kusha. Wagira wagitwara mbarara, ufuna abanyankole kusha. Wagira wagitwara kasese. Arabeta abo funa bakonjo kusha. Wagira wagitwara toro funa batoro kusha. Konkabona bara kwatagana. But waza Kampala they meet, it's a center. You bring them together, which means you are going to get masses. Single wagiteka nkahe. So don't be surprised zachakwa zirenda kuruga kabari zirisha Kampala.
Echo batachirebe abarebere kibira global zeche zekozero mu Kampala.
If people support you, they will support. If people love you, they will support you. Me, I appreciate my people. They love me. They support me. They have shown me love. They have given me love. They have never let me down at any time.
That's why no wonder ncho wajerira show ya Rugogo and you are one of the best performers. You had most about by the way like it's quite a Ghana vote zone, but you are one of the people who had an epic performance.
Oh, nandaka chimanya.
You are one of them because no crowd we have people kusango muntu yesu na amanyo but as a crowd by where to whom do you give that credit to? Like where do you attribute that to? Kusangangu no basakuza stage inanka yona gaining energy.
I think maybe it is a connection I have with the people. It is how I connect with the people. Because sometimes na indaza stage nanda kama ichirenda ko, but whenever I command and I see people responding, I only see love ndibagaravu. So tinka kubiyanjire ngo nechi nyonda jani ruhanga ni waragira ngo guyamutaga mani gokoresha mpa ngatinka kuja ngo nyine logic jinda kozesa because nabandi barabikora bazima ngatinka janye nyine logic nemwe nyone nakusima abantu abu kunyekundira bazamwe munyekundire mwabonye ko ninyakana ko wanyu whenever you see me nanye nkukudabesho nsa yes show me love. You know there is nothing more powerful than love. Abantu kukwereka love really.
But nyoni tekateka abantu bona bari mu audience abinji most of them influence kane ruga TikTok irigiza abantu gwena amanya influence ya TikTok na in real life like the moment kunana na listen about stepping on stage okara how the audience went crazy the moment you stepped on stage everyone was crazy like na rejo connection rakwize TikTok umuntu na enjoying to the extent ngo na kuforonga even out of music na aba queen.
Now what you should know is paradigm shift. And see a shift injury.
That's true.
Tikuja on TikTok. It is media. People have known you from media. TikTok is part of media. Abantu tibara chimanya. TikTok is kali tukatukine media platform emwe like social media platform. Tukatukine Facebook sha and it was very small for us. Twena kushanga twena turi kuwera Facebook ngati washanga nguzikakanya social media platforms abantu wabyurudinjira family wabyurudinjira ati nkubuze TikTok nyine 32k followers urama abantu mitwara 32
babataha no gwerwa kagu
abantu mitwara 32 barumanye abantu mitwara 32 asa n'abantu wabura tagira ngunivacho they are 32 asa abantu bamfollowingira ari abantu kushanga bara following abandi kureba ngo ariho nk'abantu ba TikTok akurangwa hazo nko mahara yazina umutu yamufollowing atamumanye no kumumanya yafu nga following page tu amanya but aba bari kuba ni ba following a person takote cyari kuba ni baba ni bakumanya so ekishakirima abantu emitwaro 3 tokanja ngo arabura abantu umutwaro barakumanya amitwara 32 tukunja bara situkuja ngo barabura so wala performance nabwo yakura munyingu wanje mukakuna na leta nibazaho kuna leta na abantu barayika emitwaro nkaga bama emitwaro 10 ndijo wajya mutwaro zinga
leta na emitwaro 19
ya 19 19
he's going to 200
ya twari 19 ati nkubuze ati ukote katekali arabura abantu 15 kusha bukuja 15 kusha baramumara kumusupporting afutira ugwari so it is a shift ese ya shifting iriko no turi tituraze kuhakana no turi celebrating ibintu byitu so Kampala turi kuzayo
so tuza Kampala tuza kubatura hi which is the date and what should we expect
ebirabire byo kwa mushanju ateruze garden zibukoto kino cyateruze garden zije hagati y'kibuga hagati y'kibuga bukotaho abakigabona no barabari ari ubushera ari nturire so everybody no kuvuga na teruze garden zibukoto ibirabiri ufutamune mitwaro 2 ari bad tickets zibuza kushorera mu ari kumwe n'icweka ziza kuba ziziri online nza kuba ni sharinga then tables neze mitwaro 5 bijya table ntuza kuba ni mikugambira wampishirira
usanga utakunywa nanka
kulira lindeki tina ngati yanjire ngo nenda kwaro aruka koko abasilamu bagenzi banje bagice bange kugura table so
no kwatagana cyo nimba kunyicereza
yes tables ni mitwaro 5 ni cyecho as simple as that abishunguzi mutarangwa cyane n'inyenyenka bona nkumura bamanya bane nakumperekera bona banjizire ngo gumwana ugumpa naratekwa kutamushayirizo bona top
tuze bukoto Tales launch fact Zamani live in Kampala 20th July. Yeah, let's all be there to supporting because hata no matter isarakazi aho witara no turi
ari kunu
no twaza no bakuzo umuntu twaza
gakora mistake nashoze biro ebirabiri na mushanju instead of ebirabiri ni national shows fly ebirabiri but people didn't notice it because they don't even want to know the date. They want to come ninka
so wano basako bana jagwa jugwemu wabase kubana gorobo jugwemu rukunjira perfect mu jugwemu kabare star kanungu starring mu jugwemu bulemo na hara cyarafune cyo na wakubona yebitoke ni wanda no yongerayo tuze ku supporting fact Zamani live in Kampala for Tales launch so ebigambo byawo byamheru to the people right now
ebigambo byaje byamheru nenda kusima buli bara muntu wena royale otiri tafari aha music career yanje nenda kusima ku umucishagwa mpa kwijangaza Ankole Media na nyenkega muri nkeshoboruraho. This is my second time and I'm very happy to be here kandi nenda kushaba buri mwabari kureba abantu bino rugeze ari kureba atari ya TikTok ari kureba ukatari kunyiga ari ka polasi ka follow up ati umusha turi kuba content yerisho ya yabusha ati muri nakufollowinga mutu following reka kureba followinga you should follow us here Ankole Media mutu following YouTube warugano za YouTube ibyasinga bya YouTube tara warofe ibitwaga
something about YouTube YouTube yariyo mazina like umuntu kwakubasa kubona ajya fact nyenda music ye abanzo ngambe akabanze bangambe
n'abamamara banyijire muza nakitwa ko Ankole Media TV everywhere hona muzeho mugende muranyiga na inache mwamara mu ndonde nyo baranyita sa fact Zamani ntaginjira hasampa mu following akwa munazi kumamuragera ngo bitu ngugumba alinkahe ngogwa alinkahe kumbe ndiyo no rikunde yanje kumfollowing kugira ngo bone birankwataho following nanye azanywa nyino muzi muntu yamfollowing na mu following
Aza abantu baza kwishobwira ari Justin Bieber na following commenting Justin Bieber Chris Brown
so nyowe mu following ndaze kwa following abarungi hona ni fact Zamani na YouTube nyina kesho nguruka sasa baraketa nakabachiga muka following mukakunde kakatera na ana Kasime tukakeshongorera mu Tale Studios kakategwa producer mununje n'umwana ari hambo baramwita ngo ni Walter White, a very good one. Walter White kaba mastered by Cash, producer Cash, then video by Triz director.
Everyone yo muntu nabari gari yo project by the way.
Big up
nakuhiraho nanka nakuhiraho kepo nagiteka. Hats off for you guys.
From the makeup, even our makeup artists mwe nababiri bali ho costume designers mwena. Thank you for the wonderful work. So nyo echasigara no kweta abantu mwe mumpagire tinyine nko kundi tinyine monemwe wena ndi mwene Yesu mweje mumpagire bashamwe mweje bukoto na nyinachi kugira ngo njireki na kugira ngo koshobara niye you come and support me for my first ever show yo kubanza. And I promise I'm going to deliver because in abantu bane ngo bandebe nka fact Zamani ari kubatira umuziki nabenda kundeba nka TikTok ndiko bashemeza and surprising I'm doing live band and for my first time can't be random naza kugira ngo ngwenje ndera kubatira music.
So don't forget to be part of that experience. Kando of course nanye nabantu bade sparks na bantambuye na Savage camera and you get to see us when we see you.